I have 15 minutes to run into Food Lion and get a full day's worth of meals for plant-based keto. Can I do it? I'm on a time crunch. I got a 5-year-old sitting back here who's ready to go rock and roll with me. So let's go in and go get all of our plant-based keto items.
A special thank you to Food Lion for sponsoring today's visit. We have the time on the clock to go start our 15 minutes of getting all of our mad dash groceries while we can for our plant-based keto diet. So I'm snagging some avocado. Again, special thank you to Food Lion for sponsoring parts of today's segments. They have the most amazing pre-made salads, which are really good, and I did end up snagging their olives. Their produce is so fresh. I was actually so happy and excited to see how fresh the produce was. So I got some extra limes to put into my waters. And they also had this barrel sauerkraut, which is great for keto as well, and also for low carb diet. So I did put that in my cart as well. While I was going through, they had the snap pickles. This front deli section made it really quick. Like literally this whole thing took 2 minutes getting all of this food into my cart. And with my 5-year-old with me, it definitely was like extra challenging. I got the Baby Bells. I love those for keto snacks. And here's my mom fail. I ended up getting my kid cookies. Sue me. But he was very happy and it was a special treat for him. But we did get some extra sharp cheddar cheese. And then we also got the amazing Kerrygold cheddar cheese as well. So good. Absolutely one of my favorite cheeses. And it was on sale. Woohoo! Next, we went over to the deli section. You can get sliced up cheese really simply for easy to go lunches. And also there were so many really cool things in their deli section that I hadn't seen before. But I did, of course, snag my good old reliable Sabra with the guacamole because of the high fats with keto. Keto is high fat, moderate protein, low carb. So I could get those single packs of guacamole, and it makes keto so easy with having those high fats from the guacamole. Just double check in there the carb content to make sure within your 20 net carbs or less for the day with keto. For my desserts, I got some strawberries. My little boy was so excited about those. We also got blackberries because those are one of the lowest carb content fruits. So yay! And radishes, I was going to do some chopped up radishes for, quote, chips and dip. So they had fresh radishes, and then they also had these radish coin chips, which we did end up using for actual chips with the dip that I got, which I'll show you in a minute. Got some more cantaloupe to go ahead and get that cut up for some little bites for my little boy. If you have kids, that makes an easy treat for them. And something simple for me too to have already pre-sliced and on hand. We're at the beach, and I wanted to have just some really simple keto foods. So on my time check, I'm doing pretty good with my time here. I'm still rushing around. Literally, I feel like I should have a superhero cape on as I go through. I see some more strawberries, and I also see some more celery hearts because celery hearts are great for that dip. My little boy requested these. He really liked them. I thought they were so spicy, but they're not spicy actually at all. They turn out to not be spicy peppers at all. We did end up getting some pumpkin seeds to get that high fat in, which are great. We do measure those out 1/4 of a cup at a time. They also had walnuts, and they also had pecans. Snagged those, and also snagged some bubbly sparkling water. They do have this ice. That's my alarm telling me I need to keep going. I need to go a little bit faster with my shopping. And I did get some Gatorade Zero. This would be considered more dirty keto and not like straight-laced keto. A friendly reminder, this is a lazy keto, dirty keto channel. I did also get some nuts in here too that were pre-packaged, including some more pumpkin seeds. These are a different kind of pumpkin seeds as well, just because my little boy, we were going on a road trip. I ended up getting bigger containers of the Gatorade. You'll see in their cheese balls, yes, again, another mom fail, but I'm doing great on my time. But those cheese balls, it's progress, not perfection. My little boy wanted those. I'm not going to eat those. But instead, I'm getting this dip. That is one of our beach snacks that I'm going to have while we're here. So I'm still staying keto. But here's what. At Food Lion, they do have local goodness as part of their main thing, including vegetables, but also beer and wine. So they had a ton of beer that was North Carolina made because we were in the Outer Banks traveling, and it was awesome. So I did end up getting some local beer from my husband and my dad. I don't personally drink, but they do, and they were more than happy to sample Food Lion's local beer selections that they had picked, and they absolutely raved about it. But it's one of the other reasons why I do like Food Lion is because they're so local focused. There's the sampling that was going on with my dad and my husband. They wanted to say it was a great pick from Food Lion's choice on that, by the way. So we did have, while this is a plant-based video, I did want to give a couple of other meat options for keto, such as tuna. I do put with that some mayonnaise, as well, or I sometimes put ranch with it, to be honest. And in addition, I did want to make sure you guys knew that there's some other meat coming up. Just FYI, if you don't eat meat, you can keep rolling through. But I got pepperonis, I got the pininos, I got the uncured pepperonis. Their pepperoni selection was the best I have ever seen at the North Carolina Food Lion. I was so excited. I just think I missed it here in Virginia. It was a different layout, and I was so excited. Like literally, it was beautiful. I literally was singing in the store. I'm like, here, I'll take 5 of your paninos. So ended up getting a bunch of those, and those lasted us throughout the week at the beach. My boy wanted some deli ham for him, and I wanted some low-carb roll-ups for a keto lunch. I did end up getting some jerky. We used those for the grass-fed jerky with 0 sugar, because a lot of beef jerkies do have sugar in them, so just be mindful of that. There were these earth-friendly bags that I realized I need to start switching over to the Food Lion bags for my groceries, and so I did also need some cotton balls too. So excuse my little side purchase as I go through here. But we got those. We ended up going home. I made it, y'all. Literally, it was like 15 minutes and 21 seconds. Woo! Mom win! Yeah! But those are the olives. My little boy had those from lunch. That's applesauce. She did end up passing shortly after this video was made. For you OGs here at the Countess of Low Carb community, she did pass at the beach, which was sad, but we love her and miss her very much. But let's go back to our keto shopping haul. So there was the deli stuff. I did also end up getting the radish chips. You're going to see some Thousand Island dressing. Again, dirty keto, lazy keto. As long as I'm 20 net carbs or less for the day, I'm a happy clam. There's the snap pickles. My little boy devoured those. Like literally, these were great beach snacks. You'll see carrots in there too. While those are not necessarily air quote keto, to me it's still better low carb choice than some other things that are like chips, like real chips. You know what I mean? Like made out of potatoes. So we did end up getting those olives, which were amazing. My little boy was obsessed with them. I've actually subsequently, when we came back to Virginia, bought a ton more of them because they're so good. The Baby Bells, great grabby choice for the beach, and then also being able to have some of these other high-fat items like the olives, like the guacamole, like the fresh avocado. That was my salad. I got a great Cobb salad as well. Those were the bags that I didn't end up buying. And I ended up putting those low-carb pumpkin seeds on a lot of stuff. They were so good. There's the peppers, and then those were the travel bags that I was mentioning that you can get that made the shopping haul really, really simple. But I'm pleased with how quickly I was able to get all of those, get keto lunches, keto snacks. Now, some people are going to be like, well, that's not your keto dinner. Y'all, this was like easy, like so easy. I could have a pepperoni roll-up, have some olives, have some pumpkin seeds, have a salad, and roll on, and then we could go to the beach and really enjoy our family time. But the nutrition facts on all of the fresh produce is so good. Like, it was so good. And the fact that they had at the beginning of the Food Lion store, the quick deli section made this even, I think I honestly, if I had been really, really focused, and I'm going to try it next time, I think I honestly could have gone it in like 10 minutes to do it. Like, I really do think I could have been like, boom, 10 minutes in, out, and gotten a little bit faster. But those pre-made salads, we did end up going back another day to get another round of them. And keto police don't need to tell me that Thousand Island is not keto. It is keto as long as your day is 20 net carbs or under. And yes, it does have inflammatory ingredients, so that would make it dirty keto, which I'm fine with. There's those delicious berries I had, and there's my salad. I'd rather be eating a salad, by the way. Like, nobody said a word when I was in the drive-thru line at McDonald's grabbing an extra, extra large fries. I eat a Thousand Island dressing on my keto salad, and the keto police freak out. At least they did on TikTok and Instagram. So I'm happy with this. The salad was amazing, so fresh, and my little boy loved it. That was his low-carb kid lunch with his Gravedigger shirt. He loves monster trucks. And again, a special thank you to Food Lion for sponsoring this video. I was so happy and so pleased to go in their store, but also really, really quickly to get everything we needed from keto. Make sure you check out the link below. There's the sampling of the local beer that Food Lion had with my family. My dad wanted pizza and beer, and so he got it. Again, make sure you go check out Food Lion. Thanks again, friends.